Our next guest is a stand-up comedian. He's been doing it for 40 years, mind-blowing. He's an Emmy-winning actor, television host, and a New York Times best-selling author. This is his newest book, Hey Mom. I think it's actually his fourth book. We'll check that with him. Check him out on his newest stand-up special. I love this. Big Underwear.
I stayed at one house of some friends, and I didn't know they had dolls. They had a room full of dolls. I was staying in it. They showed me they opened the door. You'll be in this room. All the dolls had the same teeth as me. And just like me, when you lay them down, their eyes close.
I too wear big underwear.
Well, you know, I was folding my underwear one day and I went, Jesus, are these mine? Whose are these? And I realized, because you don't think about it when you put them on, but then I look, I go, oh. And so I thought it would be a funny name for this special.
I make my husband do the laundry so I don't have to look how big my is when I'm folding my pants.
No one wants to know how big their is.
Nobody wants. That's why they put it back there.
That's right.
I love your laugh. I love you. He knew that. He remembered that I was on WRGB, world's first TV station, by the way. It's Schenectady, New York.
I was playing up
there.
years
ago.
And I said, you were doing a segment, and I go, this girl really knows what she's doing.
I love you, Louie. Thank you.
It's really cool.